Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix messages status fail on Instagram error, right? So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store, and if you are using an iOS, then just go to the App Store, and on the search bar, you have to search Instagram and just hit the enter and make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram, right? So here I'm getting option which is called update, so I will update the app right now, and after updating the app this may fix my problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to just go to the setting of your phone, and after going to the setting of your phone you have to scroll a little bit down, just drag it down and click on app management, then just click on app list, and here you have to wait till it get loaded. So it will take just a few seconds depending upon the apps which is present in your phone. Here we have to find Instagram, right? So I'm not going to find, I will search here Instagram. That is easy, right? And just click on the Instagram, and here the first thing you have to do, you have to just force stop, right? And after that you have to go to the storage usage, just clear the cache guys, and after clearing the cache this may fix a problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing, you have to just click on, just let me show you, you have to on the clear data, right? And after clearing the data this will definitely fix a problem. You have to just re-log in into your Instagram mobile application, and that's it. So if you found this video really informative and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.